It all started in 2002, more than a decade ago. We've all come a long way. I had no idea that I will be visiting the southernmost tip of Indian mainland for the third time on a 1000cc bike. This particular road trip that we were planning, the Grand Indian Road Trip, had to be in grand in the sense that it should affect, influence people, motorcyclists of India in a positive way, so that motorcycling becomes a part of their lifestyle.
Hi, my name is Abhishek Bhatt.
Hi, this is Shivanshu.
Hello, my name is Sandeep Goswami.
Hi, my name is Himanshu Gupta.
Hi, my name is Sunil Gupta. Hi, I'm Ashish Kuliani.
My name is Sandeep, also known as Sunny, and the photographer. So it was a D-Day, 11th of March morning, fine morning at that. All of us were geared up in our swanky new riding gear. Bikes were shining, the car was ready, everything was good. The apt place to start a road trip in India, if you are in the capital, has to be the India Gate, more specifically the Rajpath.
XBHP is a very nice bunch of guys. They promote riding, they promote brotherhood of riding. So I wish them all the best in whatever they do.
There were many riding groups that joined us at the flag off from Delhi, and one of them was Gods and Born to Ride.
All the groups coming together for a good cause on a single platform. It's going to be an amazing trip, I suppose, and anything from our end, we full support XBHP.
The venue was a farmhouse in छतरपुर. उम्मीद थी कि लोग आएंगे. एक बहुत बड़ी राइड है जो हम करने वाले थे. हमारे लिए राइड थी, बट ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी था कि लोगों का क्या रिएक्शन होगा.
I just couldn't believe what I was seeing. We were expecting a lot of people to be with us during the flag off, but this was something that we didn't expect. It exceeded our expectations.
I've never encountered so many super bikes all together. So for me, it was out of the world experience.
It was like जब गालिब ने कहा तेरे पैरों के नीचे ज़मीन नहीं, कमाल है तुझे यकीन नहीं. It took me 5 minutes to actually sink in the feeling that so many people are there.
And in general, everybody, guys, you're fantastic.
From behind the stage came a special chief guest of the flag off. It was Gul Panag.
I'm truly amazed. I had not expected such a turnout. I really hadn't. When I first heard about this, I knew it was a novel concept. I knew it was something that was going to catch the attention of all the bikers in the country. But I genuinely am foxed to see the turnout. And the bikes from every BHP, it's XBHP truly defines biking here.
It was fun to see people respond to the way she could identify with the bikers. She's a biker herself who rides in Enfield. And it was nice to know somebody who necessarily is not simply a crowd puller, but actually a biker amongst us.
Everybody in my family rides, from my cousins to my 65-year-old aunt. We just get on our bikes and we just take a trip. So we have an in-family Kardakam type of biking group in the house. But I think the consciousness of the people visiting girl bikers is really rising. There are a lot of bikers out there. Mumbai has a couple of bikers. Delhi, I believe, has two clubs. And I'd love to ride with Biker Knee one day. Biker knees, right? Biker knees? Biker knee.
There was one point in which she called out to all the bikers to start their engines and rev up all their bikes. And it was one big roar.
Come on, guys, give yourself a big round of applause. This is incredible. Oh, yeah!
Yeah, hi everybody. It's always a pleasure being here amongst you all bikers, and especially people like Sunny, whom I just saw when he started way back in the year 2000. And I really am very, very proud of him, the way he's taken motorcycling all over the country and beyond the country, also all over the world. So it's a fabulous thing, a great effort from his side and his whole team, XPHP. A big thank you, and keep up the good work. And
with so many people coming over to see off, this was not just a simple ride.